Hey Mob, you on deck? You on deck? Every time with these fucking wires. Moneybazz. Yeah. Moneybazz, what up, boy?
Yo, what up, honey? What's good, honey? Chill up here for a while. Yeah.
What up?
Yo, Chew, what up? Yo, Dizzy, what up? Y'all up here? Where y'all up here?
Hell yeah!
So where y'all at, man? Where y'all at? Yeah. What's good, man? Brooklyn in here?
Yeah.
Queens in here? I know Jersey in here. Damn, you telling me ain't nobody from Brooklyn in here? Yo, where my Brooklyn at? Alright, that's what I'm talking about. I got something for y'all. Whenever you ready, Ill Will. Yeah. Getting money. This one right here.
Stay fly.
To my niggas getting money, you heard? You heard? Hey yo, bands to make a dance. Bands to make a dance. Bands to make a dance. I got money out my pants, huh? Yo, so serious, what up? Moneybazz. Bands to make a dance. Bands to make a dance. Bands to make a dance. I got money out my pants. My niggas get money. Why y'all niggas look funny? Catch me hopping out that jet. My next stop is London. $100 bills on me, spending it like it's nothing. Versace this, Versace that, but French flies my clothing. Got the girls all open when they see us, yeah, they be scoping. Then we off to that hotel room 112. I'm coaching, getting money from my motto. These girls go wherever I go. Pull up in that green Hornet, pulling out like Rondo. It's my show, I'm point guard. Y'all bitch warmers, watch I blow. Up on that scene, while I say Movado. Time is money while wasting me. I'm making money, I'm caking. Got so much ice, I'm skating. Got no time to be debating. I'm telling niggas what's shaking. I'm just history in the making. I've been patient, now nigga tired of fucking waiting. I'm about to get my videos played on railroad. Then I get a check every month. Casual. Yeah. This one for y'all, yo. This shit right here. Yo, this for all the fake niggas, all the fake women. You don't feel for them. Oh. Yo, Dizzy, what up? Up on stage. Yeah. Hey, yo. We don't feel for them. 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 Y'all ready? I'm all about fucking hoes like they Lil' Kim. Freaky bitches, the one that'll let me fuck her and her friend. I don't fuck with these lame niggas that pop shit like they great niggas. But when I pop that hammer, they be high around like cave niggas. I put them in their place. Just look at me in my face. If I shoot a nigga from front and got my lawyer beat the case. They say I sound like Fabulous from JD Kiss the Mace. But I'm just being Moneybazz. I'll flow like down upstate. See, I don't fuck with niggas that just wanna be me. Damn, don't you get your own identity? I tell them Brooklyn, my borough. New York is my city. Stay fly, antiques my city. We get busy. I'm tearing down that show like wherever I might go. I'm so fresh to death. Might as well tell me on death row. I'm so in control. Never selling over my soul. I'm so true with these pyramids that be in the video. Oh, yo, we don't feel for them. Hey, yo, y'all ready? Hey, yo, say with me. We don't feel for them. 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 Never. I never heard bodies laying, that's a downfall. Shit I'm spitting out my mouth will make the crowd pull. I see my homies and they tell me come around more. Against me, spitting won't make it around more. I be so lyrical, hysterically legit. You fuck around with my team up when they letting off that clip. See, I don't go around running my mouth cause I'll be talking shit. Cause haters that be popping shit, they land down and that's it. Now I don't wanna be the next rapper they get shot. Stay away from haters, but them haters know to what. They know to watch my money, they know to watch my honey. But if they watch too much, then my gun is gonna watch for me. I'm laying off that clip, man, and clear out they whole strip. I knew you, but I got the same blood as the Crip. Real Moneybazz, big homie. I know they don't know me. I keep the A for me, black mama like Kobe.
I don't feel funny.
Hey yo,
I don't feel funny.
turn this one up, DJ.
Hey yo, give it up, yeah!
Yo, everybody that's from Brooklyn. Yo, all my Brooklyn niggas come up on stage right now. I wanna see how loud we is there. Yo, where my Brooklyn niggas?
Shout out to the whole
Yo, where Brooklyn at? Brooklyn. I wanna see Brooklyn.
But you know,
Brooklyn.
shame on you when you try to step to this A-fly bastard.
Brooklyn.
Shame on you when you try to hate on me, come back with more classes. Shame on you when you try to step to this A-fly bastard. Shame on you when you try to hate on me, come back with more classes. First of all, RP the old dirty bastard. Shame on the nigga for talking bad on his casket. Marcy the home with Jay-Z and Bleed. Source money, cheating KTIZ and me. Shot boogie, touchdown, Batman, RP. H money coming home, soon to be in the streets. I keep it rugged for my dudes in the hood, doing big boy things like a big boy should. Catch me in Breeboy in a collar with Fabo, smoking with cocaine, time like with the ammo. Talking something up, 4 green, go on this East New York, Coney Island, they be causing drama. I'm like Osama, blowing down the ganja, blowing that marijuana, rolling up the sour. Gather up my manpower and RP the big sound. Let's get a full hour. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to step to this A-fly bastard. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to hate on me, come back with more classes. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to step to this A-fly bastard. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to hate on me, come back with more classes. I'm still passed out for life like B.I. Clan Hills, Flatbush, I be all over. Brownsville, LG, all the way to Canarsie. Then I gotta hit up the artists up in the 90s. Brooklyn rules, we certified and grimy. Marcy, Sherwood, Flushing, there where I be. I'm still a whole city criminal. Let homie out when it's hammer time to scratch off the cereal. But I got the ratchet out the mouth, spit lyrical. Brooklyn gangsters ready to get rid of you. To have you dumped on the sidewalk, slump you on the parking lot. I make sure your lifetime stop. Man, I'm just trying to be a hip-hop kid. Brooklyn, New York, it's where hip-hop lives. Shame on you when you step up to Moneybazz, controlling the game and got it nasty. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to step to this A-fly bastard. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to hate on me, come back with more classes. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to step to this A-fly bastard. Brooklyn. Shame on you when you try to hate on me, come back with more classes. CK, it's Brooklyn. You ain't that bad if you never been in the bookings. We can take it back to the Brooklyn Dodgers. And every movie Spike Lee made, he went hard to Brooklyn. Radio Raheem on the corner, bumping that new Moneybazz just to warn ya. Listen, I hear him chant my name. Moneybazz, Moneybazz, music on flames. Bushwick 4th Street, new lots I bang. For everybody else in New York, maintain. I ain't trying to get a name off the next man. I'd rather just do my own thing. And now I'm well connected, I got my flow perfected. Me and I can see short videos in Texas. Restless, product on the streets, we invested. If you lucky, every show I put you on my guest list. You plus 20 friends. I'm good. Yo, it's your boy Moneybazz, A-fly ENT. Brooklyn, yo, good looking for holding me down, you heard me? My nigga 100, shoes so deaf. DJ Airwell, and all y'all keep that hot shit, man. What up?
Yo, give it up for Moneybazz. You ain't sweating like that, you ain't doing your job, man.